The Military Museum of the Chinese People's Revolution or China People's Revolution Military Museum, is located in Haidian District, Beijing, China. The museum displays restored military equipment from the history of the People's Liberation Army, up to and including modern-day machinery. The museum's 4 floors include 10 halls, the largest of which is the Hall of Weapons. The hall's extensive holdings of antiquated weaponry showcase domestic and foreign weapons, including blades, small arms, artillery, tanks, armored personnel carriers, anti-air weaponry, jet fighters, rockets and rocket launchers, and cruise missiles. One of the 10 great buildings erected in celebration of the 10-year anniversary of the founding of the People's Republic of China. Construction of the museum began in October 1958 and ended in 1960. Currently, the museum is open to free admission, though visitors must show identification and consent to any security bag checks. No professional cameras are allowed in the premises of the museum. The collection of aircraft and military vehicles in the museum is preserved in a pristine condition. In the lower level, you can find a great collection of tanks and military vehicles. All of them very well preserved. Is the first comprehensive military history museum in China. The museum covers an area of more than 159,000 square meters, 190,000 square yards. It aims to collect, research and exhibit cultural relics, material objects and documents of the achievements and history of the Chinese military. The main building of the Military Museum of the Chinese People's Revolution is 95 meters, 310 feet, tall and consists of 7 floors, and it has 2 wings of 4 stories. A huge Chinese People's Liberation Army emblem with a diameter of 6 meters, 20 feet, is located on the top of the main building. If you find these aircraft and museums walk-around videos interesting, and you want to give your support, please make sure to subscribe and share my channel. A very interesting exhibit in the museum is the fuselage of a downed Lockheed U-2 Dragonfly spy plane from the Taiwan Air Force. Thank you for watching.